Many of us are constantly serving others. We're constantly pouring out to help and support others. Many of you come here for whatever the reasons might be, and I'm working to pour and support and to give to others. But have we ever thought about making sure that we are pouring out of our overflown cup? My cup runs over. Out of the abundance of what I have, I give out of it to you. You know, we give away sometimes the things that were meant for us. And so some of us are walking around, we look good on the outside, but many of us are a little bit incomplete because we keep giving away the very thing that we need to keep for ourselves. It's hard to pay somebody else's bills if you can't pay your own bills. When we're in an airplane, they tell us to first secure your mask before you try to secure somebody else's. Fix you, get yourself together then. So when you get yourself together, when you have given yourself and you have filled your cup, once your cup is full, then you pour out of your cup and give them the overflow. Many of the things that you are giving away are meant for you, are meant to keep. And then it's okay because many people are looking at you. Many people are blessed by seeing what you do or seeing how you get down, seeing the way that you overcome, seeing the way that you triumph. You don't have to give it. I can't always give you money because I don't have enough to give, but I can help show you how to hustle, maybe show you how to get a little bit more if that's the knowledge or wisdom that you have. But at the end of the day, don't give away the things that are supposed to be for you and yours. Give out of your abundance. Give out of your abundance. Now, when that switches, when we start talking about our gifts to our higher power, to our God, or to our Creator, that then comes out. You give them everything. You give God all. But personally, we don't give people. We give people out of our abundance. Give it away when your cup is full. Remember to love, serve, and be kind.